If you want to pass AAA, then you're in the right place because I can help you make that happen. Many students struggle with AAA because it's a wordy paper and the syllabus is also very wide. When it comes to the learning stage, students, usually busy professionals like yourself, often complain that the AAA textbooks are too bulky. They've got too much content and the students are unsure as to which bits of information are really crucial and are fundamental to every exam. And when it comes to exam question practice, I often hear these comments. I don't know how to begin writing. I don't know what information to include in my answer. I don't know what to write, and I usually end up writing too much and then I cannot complete the final question. I don't know what to write and I end up writing too little. So it's either too much or too little. You may also face some of these fears about bulky textbooks and about not feeling confident in answering exam questions. Taking all these students' concerns into consideration, I've specially created exam-focused notes and videos and straightforward exam techniques that you can use to build your own answers in the exam. The exam techniques will show you step by step on what to write first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So it's sort of like a formula. And all my students have access to me via the WhatsApp chat groups, which will be on throughout the course right up to the day before your exam. Now let me tell you a story about one of my former students, Iris. English was not her first language and she struggled to write answers because answers have to be written in English, right? But after showing her exam techniques on how to write simple answers containing the information that markers were looking for, she cleared AAA. And there was another student who, after failing 13 times, joined me at Ardent Learning Hub. 13 times. Oh my goodness, the tenacity that this student had was just amazing. But she was determined to pass AAA. And so she just put her head down and practiced all the exam techniques that I showed her. And she did it. She cleared AAA. She just needed someone to show her how. Now, these are just two stories. And there are numerous students with their own unique stories from Africa, Canada, UK, Ireland, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Kuwait, India, and many other countries who cleared AAA after joining the program. And you can read many more stories of students who share their own unique circumstances and also how the training and support at Ardent Learning Hub helped them clear the exam, helped to give them knowledge and confidence to pass the exam. All you have to do is just click the link below, the Trustpilot link, and you'll be able to read their stories. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you don't have to do any work. There is much to learn and practice. I've designed 3 different programs so you can pick the one that best suits your needs and circumstances: the bootcamp, the tutor-led self-study, and the crash course. All 3 courses include 3 components: the tuition, i.e. the teaching and the learning part about the knowledge and the exam techniques, then you have the revision, and then the mock exam. The bootcamp and the tutor-led self-study programs both span 12 weeks. And these programs are good for students who are sitting for AAA for the first time or who have failed AAA but their marks were really very, very low. The crash course spans 7 weeks and opens for registration on results day. And this program is ideal for students who missed the pass mark by just a marginal fail and wishes to learn exam techniques to write better answers. I want to encourage you not to prepare for AAA without tutor guidance because it usually does not end very well. AAA has a horribly low pass rate and we don't want you to waste your money paying for the same exam multiple times. Exam fees are really expensive. So pick the program which best suits your need, enroll now, and start learning all that's required to pass AAA, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.